wallazina, and those who, 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 kasabu, earned, kasabu, earned, kasabu, earned, kasabu, earned, kasabu, earned, as-sayyi'ati, the evil deeds, 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 jaza'u, the recompense, 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 sayyi'atim, an evil deed, 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 bimithliha, is like it, 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 watarhaquhum, and will cover them, 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 zillatu, humiliation, zillatu, humiliation, zillatu, humiliation, zillatu, humiliation, zillatu, humiliation, ma lahum, they will not have, 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 minallahi, from Allah, 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 min asimi, any defender, 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 ka'annama, as if, 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 ughshiyat, had been covered, 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 wujuhuhum, their faces, 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 qita'an, with pieces, 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 min, from, min, from, min, from, min, from, min, from, al-layli muslima, the darkness of night, 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 ulaika, those, ulaika, those, ulaika, those, ulaika, those, ulaika, those, ashabun nari, are the companions of the fire, 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 hum, they, hum, they, hum, they, hum, they, hum, they, fiha, in it, 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 khaliduna, will abide forever, khaliduna, will abide forever. Khaliduna will abide forever. Khaliduna will abide forever. Khaliduna will abide forever. وَالَّذِينَ كَسَبُوا السَّيِّئَاتِ جَزَاءُ سَيِّئَةٍ بِمِثْلِهَا وَتَرْحَقُهُمْ ذِلَّةٌ مَا لَهُم مِّنَ اللَّهِ مِنْ عَاصِمٍ كَأَنَّمَا أُغْشِيَتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ قِطَعًا مِّنَ اللَّيْلِ مُظْلِمًا أُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. And those who earn evil deeds, the recompense of an evil deed is the like thereof, and humiliation will cover them. They will not have from Allah any defender, as if their faces had been covered with the darkness of night. Those are the companions of the fire, they will abide in it forever.